Book club review. Today I'm reviewing the book Get the Glow. And again, this girl, she suffered with acne and depression, and she couldn't lose the weight. And then she went to Australia and she studied nutrition. So it's again nutrition based. She has beautiful recipes. So at the start, she's talking a little bit about like carbohydrates, but you know all this. But beautiful and easy recipes. So for example, the chia seed pudding or seed energy bars, lovely pictures, lovely ideas, halloumi salad with kale and strawberry vinaigrette, millet, sage and leaf salad, but she also uses like ginger beef kebabs with yogurt, fish burgers with raw coleslaw, weekend wonders, so it's like roasting the meat, cauliflower pizza. I take personally quite a lot of inspiration from her books and I highly recommend.